Hello again. Righty-ho, so we're gonna do some gravel roads, and we'll see how long the rear tyre lasts. We were meant to go riding 2 hours ago, but I got a flat tyre on the way up here. So we spent the last 2 hours doing some jungle repairs, and we'll see how long I last. Oh, yep, I might be gone. I might be gone. See, the problem is, I put a bicycle patch on my tube, and then we just used some super stick super glue. But it definitely feels like the rear end is doing whatever it wants. Oh well, I mean, it's always good to get some practice in. The whole point of doing these sorts of rides in January is that we get some practice in. We're going to go over the Nevis when we do the TT in 6 weeks. Shay's just bought a big Africa Twin, so we're both trying to get a little bit of dirt road mileage under our belts before we go and do the Nevis, which will be awesome. So that's the purpose of these little rides into the back roads of northern Waikato. Unfortunately, this might be a very short ride because oh well, it was worth a shot. Oh, what are we doing? At least it's the rear wheel. Looks like Shay and Paul have gone. Left me to fend for myself. Yeah. Oh well. Thanks for joining me on this pre-TT video. It's been fun. It's been a nice 14 kilometers. So I'll just chill out by myself outside this beautiful farm. At what point do you run the red light? Let's try with the kickstand on the line. Haha! There we go, folks. It's not weight, it's metal. Thanks for watching. The DRZ still lives. It'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright, catch ya.